Okay, this is Jose Apena from Igalia. Today I'm going to talk about the container timing specification. Okay, so first we have element timing. It allows to obtain rendering timestamp information from a specific HTML element. We support images and text elements. And yeah, we can use the performance server to get that information. But there's a problem. The main problem we have is that we need to add the element timing attribute element by element we are interested on. So there's no way to aggregate information unless you do it manually. What about LCP? LCP is page-wide, so it's way too much. We need something in the middle. So what can we do? We have the container timing API that we are proposing. It's a variation on element timing. It monitors an HTML element and all these descendants. So the idea is, again, the same thing, getting the information about when rendering is happening and also about the area that is being rendered. Okay, this is how the event looks like, where we have the intersectional rect to see more or less the area that has been painted. We have the start time and the first rendering time, so you can get a kind of time range of when things are painted. Well, this is how it looks like for using it. We put the attribute container timing on the element we're interested on, and we can use the performance server to register for a container type of event. Okay, discussion is in progress right now in the web perf working group. We have an explainer that has a polyfill, some examples, and a Chrome extension for playing with the feature. We are experimenting with a couple of things. One is being able to ignore part of the tree that we're registering on using the container timing ignore attribute. And another one is basically having an nesting policy to know what happens when you have top level container timing root and then another one inside. Okay, so I wrote an experimental native implementation in Chromium, and yeah, the basic implementation has landed. Yeah. So you want to try it, you need to enable the feature flag container timing, and yeah, more experimental features and attributes will follow after that. So if you are interested, read the explainer, play with the implementation, and yeah, provide feedback. This work has been sponsored by Bloomberg, and thanks.
Yeah, so thank you very much.